Hey everyone, we're gonna go through playlist 3 for the Outsiders real quick. So here's what to expect for the week. I went to the Outsiders playlist 3 and I found the actual playlist itself. And when I clicked on it, this came up. First things first, this next Monday we're actually going to be doing a screening that's going to take us down into the Commons. And so during that time, because there will be some wait time, there will be a line. What I expect you to do is get your iReady test done for the day, and if you don't finish it, then it needs to be homework. If you do get done with this, then you are more than welcome to jump into what we're supposed to be doing for the week. So I'm going to go through what we're focusing on this week. So the first things that I would like to point out would be the learning goals. So the first one is that I can formulate an argument based on a controversial question. We know what Johnny did at this point, and so what is your opinion of how he should be punished for that? So you're going to actually have to come up with your own argument. The second one is that you will support that argument then with evidence from the source, the Outsiders. And so that's what we're focusing on this week. We are going to be writing another argumentative essay to outline our argument. So on Tuesday, I'm actually going to go through the essay introduction with you guys. And if you get done on Monday before that point and you watch this video and you're ready to go, the instructions for the essay are located here. So just read these instructions and also pull up the actual guidelines and instructions that was included on Classroom. Also on Thursday, it's a direct instruction day. So I want us to keep reading through this time. I don't want us to get very far behind. And so what I'm going to have us do on Thursday is going to be to start reading chapter 7 just as a class. I'll probably play the audio because it's actually pretty quick for chapter 7. And then I might even have us go on to chapter 8 with the idea that after spring break, when we come back that Monday, you guys all should have read through chapter 9. So essentially what I would hope that we could do is on Thursday read chapter 7 and then chapter 8 so that you would have a less homework over spring break. The independent days, so Tuesday you will have, after I introduce it for like 2 minutes, you will have the whole hour to write the essay. You will also on Wednesday and Friday have the whole time, so you have 3 full class times to write this essay. And what you don't finish, you can always do over spring break, and I'm going to be looking at them that Monday when we come back. And again, I even put down there for sub 2 is you read chapter 8 and chapter 9. So when you're done with the essay, continue reading where we left off so that you have hopefully no homework when all is said and done. And if you're like me and you're looking at this and you're like, wow, there's a lot to do this week, because I mean, you're going to be reading 3 chapters essentially, and you're also going to be writing an essay on top of that. You might want to work on it a little bit every evening just so that when it does come down to Friday, you can finish up everything and you don't have to worry about it over spring break. I am totally fine with that. So just keep that in mind as you go through the week. If you guys have any questions about this, please do not hesitate to ask. That is why I'm here.